this cap we will make in. Okay, so let's start. Basically this is a very simple process. One is this one is making for the bearing, and that one is for cover housing. That's a simple making the circular plates, give the apply extrude boss base after giving the every holes over there. That's ready. It's an easy process, so everyone can do easily. Just look at the proper dimension and everything. Extrude boss base. After that we will apply 4 holes over here. Basically is a bearing, flange bearing holes. So I'll make one rectangle over there, and after make as a construction line. Oh, here is one mistake. Just select both and make a construction. After make a wizard hole and make 4 holes over there. .3D sketch and pick every corner points. When we are making a full screw conveyor assembly, that time you will better understand why we are creating this type of holes. Now we will make 6 holes over there. In the top, for this I need to make one sketch. Normal sketch. I wanted to make one hole and apply the patterns, circular pattern. Basically in previous video we don't apply the circular pattern feature, so that's why we will do in this video. Basically is a diameter for apply the relation is fully defined. Now I'll apply extrude cut, and now I go to choose a circular feature, circular pattern feature. Select one center line for path, and now select a feature. It's 4. Now I increase the size so it is perfectly. Now I need to make one more part, one more cap. This is so easier than the previous part. Make one circle, make one hole, give the dimension over there. After extrude boss base, we'll apply 3 holes. The dimension thickness is this. Apply material. Basically when I applying the material, it's showing yellow color. So why it's showing? Because of I set part template as a template, and in a template I choose a yellow color, so that's why it's always showing. I make one hole over there. Okay, now I apply extrude cut and circular feature. In circular feature, select this and feature is showing. I decrease the number 3. So that's it. It's basically cover for housing, and that was a base for bearing. Now after saving that part, it's okay. Thank you. We'll see one more video, last video.